Hey guys, Beatacus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video, I'm going to be looking at unboxing the MSI MEG X570 Ace motherboard. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so this is going to appear in a build soon on the Tech Was Time channel, so make sure you subscribe over there because you will see that over there, the actual build, I should say. Alright, so I'll have a look at the motherboard in a sec. You've got here this will be the wireless antenna and stand, so that's in there. You've also got some RGB header cables. It's 2 male to 1 female. You've also got here a 3-pin female RGB header to 3-pin there. Then you've also got 2 SATA cables. One of them is right angled, one of them is straight. Then you've got another pair here, one right angled, one straight. And lastly, you've got so that's a 3-pin to 3-pin, both female cables there. So not quite sure what that one's for yet, but we'll get to it. What else we got in here? We've got the user manual, which is great. That is all in English. There's a lot of information on the actual motherboard in there, including USB ports and all that sort of thing, which ones are which. So really handy to have where your headers are on your motherboard. So that's cool. You've got a DVD with drivers on there, which I would say would already be out of date. So just make sure you've got an internet connection. You've got the little MSI information card there on different products that they offer. Thank you for choosing MSI, which I should say, thank you for sending this out to me, MSI Australia. Really appreciate it. That's going to look great in this build. You've also got some tags there so you can tag your cables. That's really cool. Sticker tags, I should say. What else we got in here? So we've got a quick installation guide and a little card there for shout out for MSI. So that looks like, yep, that looks like everything in there. So I'll throw that back in for the moment. I'll leave the manual out for myself for a little bit later. Throw that into there. Back into there. You can tell this is a one-take unboxing because I'm leaving all that in. All right, so let's have a look at the actual board itself. Excuse me. I'll just put that to the side for a second. Okay. Woo-wee. Look at this. All right, so this one actually goes there. Like that by the looks of it. I'll screw that in a second. So you've got 1, 2, 3, the 3 M.2 slots there, which is great. You've got your motherboard socket, which is the AM4 for the X570 platform. Your 4 DIMM slots there for your DDR4 RAM. What else have we got? 2 8-pin power there, so make sure you've got enough power to run this beast. What else have we got? We've got the headers down there. Oh, this is interesting. So this one's got the USB Type-C header on board, which I was saying in a previous video on Tech Was Time channel, that the H510i case from NZXT, it has a USB-C on the front there, but unless you've got this port, which is this little one down here, on your motherboard, then you won't be able to use that USB Type-C header on the case. So that's really cool that that's included there. That's really great. And right beside it is the power and reset button, which is great if you're using, or if you're not using a case, like if you're putting it on, say, an open bench table or something like that, which is really cool. And what's this? You've got a little 0 to 11. Nice. I would say that's the intensity of the RGB lights, possibly, but I will have a look at that more in the actual build that I do on the Tech Was Time channel. So yeah, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 SATA ports there on the side. Okay, so it's only got 4 SATA ports by the looks of it. You've got a USB 3 header there, power, and of course, what are these? System fans. Yep. That's really, really cool. It looks like a really, really nice board, and having the shield built into it as well is great. I love it when when it's included. Just means that you can never lose it, which I have before, and I'm pretty sure a lot of other people have as well. Yeah, so that looks amazing, and I can't wait to do my build with this motherboard. So yeah, if you want to check that out, like I said, I'm gonna keep plugging it because it's my video and I can do it if I want to. If you want to go and check that out, the build, then that'll be on my main Tech Whiz Time channel. It's probably going to be about a week or so away. So yeah, just subscribe now, turn your notifications on, and you should get notified when that build comes up. Otherwise, if you're enjoying these unboxings on this channel, definitely subscribe here because yeah, it's a small channel and it's going to grow really big. I feel like it will, at least anyway, because you know, my personality and everything. Anyway, share this video on Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, all those sort of places. If you could, that would be fantastic. And as always, I will see you next time.